AMD Ryzen 5000G Pro desktop processor with 8 cores and 16 threads discovered. A screenshot of the CPU-Z app confirms that the AMD Ryzen 5000G series of processors may debut again under the Pro brand. In addition, the insider who posted the snapshot adds that there is a high probability that the Ryzen Pro series on-socket AM4 will not be available at retail. The processor shown in the CPU-Z screenshot is an 8-core and 16-thread Ryzen series chip for socket AM4. This core configuration implies that this processor could be a Ryzen 7 Pro 5750G, since the Ryzen 5 5650G should only offer 6 cores and 12 threads. The Ryzen line should not have more cores than the Ryzen AM4 series. According to the post, the APU is incompatible with PCI Gen 4 interface and lacks onboard Navi graphics. Compared to the Ryzen 5000 desktop series, the L3 cache has also been reduced. All this information is widely known as AMD has already released a series of Ryzen-based mobile devices for high-end notebooks. So the variants for AM4 and FP6 sockets are based on the same die. The current BIOS version for Asus Crossraid Hero motherboard does not fully support the processor yet. Only AGESA 1.2.0.0 firmware recognizes the processor and allows the system to work on its basis, since it differs from previous engineering samples. The Infinity Fabric Clock, FCLK, is set at 2300 MHz, and some samples can allegedly run up to 2500 MHz. As for the clock speed of the cores, the overclocking of all cores is about 4.05 GHz, but in the current state it can reach 4.75 GHz. The leak claims the processor comes with the same cooler as the Ryzen 7 5800X. He assumes that the processor will never go to retail. It's unclear at this point if AMD has plans for the non-Pro Ryzen 5000G series.